Have you ever felt that you are changing in a way that cannot be explained simply by the passage of time? That your body and appearance are transforming even though you haven't done anything different? If so, this could be a powerful sign of your spiritual growth. Many times, those who are experiencing a deep awakening go through physical changes that reveal their alignment with their true essence. In today's video, we will explore 12 unusual changes in appearance that may indicate you are reaching a higher level of consciousness. Stay with me until the end, because these revelations might completely transform how you perceive your own body and spiritual journey. Throughout history, great spiritual masters have undergone visible transformations as they deepened their connection with the universe. And this is no coincidence. Your body is an expression of your energy, and when that energy elevates, your body responds. It is as if your spirit begins to shape your appearance to reflect your new vibration. Let's start understanding these signs, which are often ignored but reveal so much about who you are becoming. The first change that many people notice when they begin to grow spiritually is a different radiance in their skin. Your skin may start to look more luminous, as if there is a subtle glow coming from within. This happens because the body is in greater balance, and the free flow of energy directly reflects on the face. People around you might even comment that you look different, more radiant, or even younger. Another common transformation is the change in the expression of your eyes. Your eyes may appear brighter, deeper, as if there is an entire universe behind your gaze. This happens because your soul is expanding and your perception of life is changing. You see the world with more clarity, and this directly reflects in your eyes. Many spiritually awakened individuals have a magnetic gaze that transmits an unexplainable peace. Your facial features may also become more harmonious. It's as if your facial expressions are aligning with your inner energy. Worry lines may soften, accumulated facial tension disappears, and without realizing it, your face starts to reflect serenity. The stress that once left visible marks may be replaced by a more relaxed and tranquil expression. Hair can also undergo changes. Some people notice that their hair starts to grow faster or even changes in texture. This may be related to increased vitality and the body's energetic balance. Others notice that their hair begins to lose less volume, or that a more natural and healthy appearance emerges, even without the use of specific products. Another very interesting sign of spiritual growth is the change in the tone of your voice. Your speech may become calmer, more confident, and even more engaging. When you are more aligned with your purpose, your energy flows better, and this manifests in the way you express yourself. Your voice starts carrying a different weight, an energy that impacts those around you. Your appetite and even your weight may change unexpectedly. Some people notice that they start feeling less attracted to heavy and processed foods and more inclined to consume natural foods. This happens because your body seeks to align with the lightness of your new vibration. Others notice weight loss without major efforts or changes in metabolism. The way you move may also change. People who are evolving spiritually begin to walk with more lightness, more fluidity. Their body seems less tense, less rigid. There is a greater naturalness in movements, as if their internal energy is guiding their body in a more balanced way. Your senses may become sharper. You may notice changes in how you perceive colors, how you hear sounds around you, and even how you taste flavors. Spiritual connection enhances the perception of the physical world, making sensory experiences much more intense. Another very interesting sign is that your body may become more resistant to illness. Spiritually aligned people tend to get sick less often because their cells respond better to the energy of well-being and harmony. The immune system strengthens, and small pains or discomforts that were once frequent begin to disappear. Your sense of touch may also change. Some people start to feel a different energy when touching objects or touching others. This happens because their energetic sensitivity expands, and their vibrational field becomes more receptive to the environment around them. Your hands may feel warmer or have a tingling sensation. This could indicate that your life force energy is flowing more intensely. Many people who develop spiritual gifts, such as energy healing, report feeling their palms more active, as if they are channeling an invisible force. Besides these physical and energetic changes, you may start to notice that your presence has a different impact on those around you. Some may feel an unexplainable peace in your presence, while others may seem uncomfortable, as if your energy makes them confront something within themselves. This happens because your vibration is higher, and those who are still trapped in denser energies may feel this difference intensely. Your body may also start craving more time in nature. Urban and chaotic environments may become harder to tolerate, and you might find yourself seeking refuge in peaceful places with trees, rivers, or even the ocean. This is not just a personal preference, but a reflection of your greater connection with the universe's pure energy, free from artificial interference. Another interesting change is how your body responds to touch and the energy of others. You may start perceiving when someone has a high vibration and when someone carries heavy energies just by physical contact. This may make you more selective about who you allow close to you, as you begin to understand that your energy is valuable and needs to be protected. Your perception of time may also change. You may start to feel that time is passing faster or slower, depending on the situation. When you are aligned with your mission and purpose, you may notice that hours fly by, while moments of lower vibration may feel dragged out. This happens because your perception of time is more connected to your state of consciousness. Additionally, you may start noticing repetitive patterns in your life, such as synchronicities with numbers, coincidences that seem like messages from the universe, and even more vivid and intense dreams. Your intuition strengthens, and you begin to trust the messages you receive internally without needing external confirmation. This is a powerful sign that your consciousness is expanding beyond the limitations of the rational mind. Finally, you may feel an increasing desire to simplify your life. Things that once seemed extremely important may lose value, and you may feel the need to let go of excess, both material and emotional. This process of detachment is natural in spiritual growth because your soul seeks to carry only what is essential for its evolution. As your consciousness expands, you may also start experiencing a deeper connection with your emotions. You become more aware of how certain feelings arise, where they come from, and how they impact your physical and energetic body. Instead of reacting impulsively, you start observing your emotions with detachment, allowing them to flow without becoming overwhelmed. This emotional mastery is a clear sign that your spiritual awakening is deepening. Another transformation that occurs is a heightened sense of self-awareness. You begin to notice thought patterns that were previously automatic, allowing you to break free from limiting beliefs that once held you back. This shift brings a newfound sense of empowerment as you realize that your mind is no longer your master, but a tool you can shape and refine. Your inner dialogue becomes more positive, and you start speaking to yourself with kindness, patience, and encouragement. We didn't last. With this heightened awareness, your relationship with material possessions may also change. Things that once held great importance, expensive clothes, luxury items, or status symbols, begin to lose their appeal. Instead, you find fulfillment in experiences, meaningful connections, and a lifestyle of simplicity and authenticity. You may feel a strong urge to declutter your space, letting go of anything that no longer serves your growth. This is your soul craving alignment with a lighter, freer way of living. Your energy field also becomes more sensitive to negativity. Environments, conversations, and even certain foods that once felt normal might now drain you or make you feel uneasy. You might naturally start avoiding gossip, excessive social media consumption, or low-frequency entertainment because they no longer resonate with your higher vibration. This is not a sign of isolation, but rather an indication that your soul is guiding you toward a more nurturing and uplifting way of being. As your spiritual transformation continues, you might notice that your presence alone starts to inspire others. Without saying a word, people around you sense your calmness, your inner peace, and your authenticity. They might seek your advice, feel comfortable opening up to you, or express how they feel better just by being near you. This is because your energy is now operating at a higher frequency, and those who are ready to grow will naturally be drawn to you. Lastly, your perception of life itself undergoes a profound shift. Instead of seeing hardships as obstacles, you start recognizing them as lessons for growth. Instead of fearing change, you embrace it as a necessary part of evolution. You trust that everything is unfolding in divine timing, and even in moments of uncertainty, you feel a deep sense of peace, knowing that the universe is always working in your favor. This unwavering faith is one of the most powerful signs that you are truly stepping into a higher state of consciousness. One of the most fascinating changes is posture. Spiritually awakened people tend to stand taller and walk with more confidence without realizing it. The connection with their purpose and inner truth makes their posture reflect this newfound strength. It's as if the elevated energy supports their body, manifesting in the way they present themselves to the world. If you identified with some of these changes, it is a sign that your spiritual journey is advancing. Your body is a reflection of your inner energy, and every transformation you notice is a response to the growth you are experiencing. Pay attention to the signs, honor your process, and continue expanding your consciousness. Now tell me in the comments, have you noticed any of these changes in yourself? Share your experience so we can strengthen this community of growth and awakening together. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe to the Motivation You Need channel for more content that will transform your perspective on your own spiritual path. See you in the next video.